Good morning and welcome. How to boost your professional career as an accountant. First of all, you need to know that accounting can help you to reach the level of managing director. How can you do that? After a level of a position of accountant, you can reach a position of senior accountant, then chief accountant, then responsible of finance and accounting, then director of finance or chief financial officer, then deputy managing director or CEO, then CEO. So knowing that, what you have to do to boost your career as an accountant and get to the higher level you can reach, you will have to be excellent in what you are doing. You need to really understand what you are doing. Try to keep you updated of the new rules in accounting and do your best in your daily job. The second thing to do is to be really rigorous. Accounting needs rigor, and you need to keep a high level of rigor if you want to make a interesting career in this field of expertise. The third thing to do is to be proactive in your professional career. After having built your technical basis during the 5 to 7 years of your professional, first years of your professional career, you can take a new position after a step of 3 to 5 years. Let's take a concrete example. After 5 to 7 years as an accountant, you can move to the next level of senior accountant. After 3 to 5 years as senior accountant, you can move to the next level of chief accountant. And after 3 to 5 years as chief accountant, you can move to the level of responsible of finance. Then the same thing for the level of director of finance until the level of CEO. So you need to be proactive in your professional career, not wait for the opportunities, but go toward the opportunities. What is also important is to build a strong application file. Your CV, your resume, and letter of motivation have to be strong and to show your main achievement for you to be able to have the necessary credibility to move forward in your professional career. What is also important for an accountant is about your communication. At a certain level of your professional career, you have to make the appropriate communication to let the market know that you are really good in what you are doing. That will help you to attract new opportunities and headhunters. What is also important for an accountant is to increase your skills. After being good in accounting, you will have to add. You don't let the basis of your work, because your basis of your work is accounting, but you can add some skills in tax aspect, for example, tax matters. If you are able to deal with tax matters, it will be interesting. After that, you will add some skills regarding management of cash, treasury management. After that, you will add some skills, for example, in management control. This kind of skills that you will need to have to be able to move forward in your professional career, to move to the level of accountant, to the level of director of finance, then to the level of CEO. Thank you for your attention and good luck.